How to change Temu app order. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Temu app order. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install Temu application on your device and make sure to launch the application from your home screen. Now, sign into your account and you need to remember that you are not able to change the items within an existing Temu order once it has been placed. But what you can do is simply you can cancel the order if the ordered item has not been packed yet. So for that, you can tap on the U button at the bottom center of the screen and then select your orders at top of the screen. And here, if you have ordered any item, it will get listed on here. If the items has not been packed, you can easily get the cancel item icon. You can select that and easily cancel that order on your Temu application, and you can easily change Temu app order by replacing it by order item. So in this way, you can easily change the Temu app order if it has not been yet packed. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.